I have just finished installing the 42-inch Canarm Eclipse ceiling fan. So it looks like Canarm has changed their name to Canarm for some reason. I don't know why they would switch that after being called Canarm for so many years. But yeah, here it is, hanging in the spot where the Scandinavian used to hang, and it's plugged in. There you go, you can see it's plugged in. So yeah, I'm gonna get to demonstrating it. Another thing I really like, it's a 3-pull chain fan, which means it's Canadian. And yeah, so here's the light kit. I'm using 2 appliance light bulbs that you would use in like a refrigerator or an oven, but on the package it also said ceiling fan. Ouch, just stepped on something. On the package it also said ceiling fans. Okay. That's the light. This is just the reverse chain, so. But here's high, and one thing I realized about the fan chain, it pulls a lot more sharply than the light chain. It's on the down rod instead of flush mounting it. I decided to leave it on the down rod because, like, I'm not going to be hitting my head on it, so yeah. I'm not sure how fast this actually goes, but it's blowing a decent breeze. It's blowing some things down there on the floor. Alright, I'm going to go to medium. Relatively quiet. I got this fan at Home Hardware for $100. I'm going to show low with the light on with it. I got it at Home Hardware instead of Rona because at Rona these are $129.99 and yet at Home Hardware they're $99.99. So turn off the main lights. Kind of going for the same thing as the Scandinavian did. Or it kind of looks like a night light. Oh, there's the cat. It's pretty much almost like it's pitch black down here. Alright. I don't really like how the fan chains pull. The fan chain pulls a lot more sharply than the reverse and the light chain. Speaking of which, I think I might actually show it on reverse now. Alright, I need to pull it again. But yeah, that's the reverse chain. God damn, this pull's sharp. Turn on the main light again. Max, what are you doing? Okay. Pull the reverse chain again, and the light chain. Now I'm going to manage to unplug it and manage to continue the rest of my evening. See ya.